Good morning, little munchkin. Ganyan po talaga yung comfortable na pag-sleep niya. Ayan. So, ang gagawin... Good. We're going for a bath. We're gonna be quick.
I love that position of sleeping, dear. It's so cute.
Very, very bum. She's gonna cry. That's all.
It's all right.
Quick.
She needs a bath, dear. She hasn't bathed since we've come home.
Oh my God, we're going for a bath.
Right, those clothes. Do you want those in the washing machine? You've got plenty of clothes, right? So I'll throw them in the wash and just get a fresh pair. Today is Wednesday the 16th of June. 3 days out of hospital with the little one, and a day before Nicklin's birthday, and this little one's having a bath. Look at the little faces going, hey, I was sound asleep before, what are you doing to me?
Well, Mommy needs to be quick, hey?
Wow, does that feel good, having a bath?
1, 2.
Oh, she seems to be happy.
Ooh, clean. Well, she had a good feed. She got a good sleep. Now shower. Ooh, does it feel good?
I think so. Ooh.
Is it ticklish? No? Is it ticklish, no? Mama's gonna be wet, but it's okay.
It's alright. She needs a bath, dear.
Mama will take a bath later as well.
Ooh, that might feel good, dear.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Clean little bum.
You're so red, knock. You're so red.
Ah, so it was the cold water she didn't like. You wait, hey, you're a real Territorian. You wait till you're older. You'd be craving for a cold shower. Hey, just out of mummy's womb, you're not used to cold water yet, eh?
Look at the fresh. Look at you, fresh. Yan, hindi na amoy, blood. Postpartum belly. Chin.